Dear learners, now we will do math number 17 and 18 from chapter 10 of SSC General Math books. At first we will do 17. A pole of 64 meter long breaks into two parts without complete separation. That means if I draw it, it will be just it's a pole, it has been broken, but without completely separation. It was like it, but after broken it has been like that. Makes an angle 60 degree with the ground. Here 60 degree angle. The pole was 64 meter long. That means 64 meter long. Find the length of the broken part of the pole. I have to find out this part. The total length of the pole is 64 meter and it is broken part, and when the broken part was standing, the part was here, and after broken this part is 64 minus x. The total length was 64 when x is broken, and then it was 64 minus x. Named of this diagram ABC. They have given to us the length of total pole, and from this we have got that AC equals 64 minus x, and we have supposed that AB equal x. We have to make a relation between hypotenuse and opposition. Angle is here, so opposition is AC and hypotenuse is AB. Opposition and hypotenuse, that means relation of sine. We know that sine 60 degree equal AC by AB. Opposition by hypotenuse. We know that the value of sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. That means we can write here root 3 by 2 equal, then AC 64 minus x and AB is only x. We will do cross multiplication. Root 3x equal 64 to are 128 minus 2x. Root 3x plus 2x equal 128. If we take as a common, then it will be root 3 plus 2 equal 128, and x equal 128 divided by root 3 plus 2, 34.29. And it is approx result, and it is the answer of our question. Now we will do math number 18. At 18 number math, they have given that a tree is broken by a storm such that the broken part make an angle of 30 degree with the other and touches the ground. A tree broken, and broken part has made 30 degree without complete separation. This broken 30 degree laid with the other and touches the ground at the distance of 12 meter. Here 12 meter distance it has touched the ground. From it find the length of the whole tree. I have to find out the length of whole tree. I have thought that it is x and it is y, and the length of whole tree is x plus y, because this y is the standing part which has broken. X plus y equal the total length of the tree. At first I will make a relation between these and these. That means since we have taken angle here, the opposition will be BC, and adjacent is the angle adjust line AC, and AB is hypotenuse. So at first I will make a relation between adjacent and opposition. That means 10. Triangle ABC 10 30 degree. Opposition by adjacent, that means 12 by x. 10 30 degree equal 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3, then 12 by x. After doing cross multiplication, I can write x equal 12 root 3. In another point, if I make a relation between hypotenuse and opposition, we know that opposition by hypotenuse means sine. So we can write sine 30 degree equal 12 by y, opposition by hypotenuse. We know that the sine 30 degrees value is 1 by 2. So half equal 12 by y. After doing cross multiplication, this will be y equal 24. that means y equal 24 and x equal 12 root 3. Now the total length x plus y equal 12 root 3 plus 24, and if we do it by using calculator, 12 root 3 plus 24, it is 44.79. It is also approx result, and it's our answer.